Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Expedia at the airport. This is incredibly useful when you need to check in for your flight, manage your booking, or make last-minute changes before departure. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your bookings and travel details in one place. After logging in, look for the trips option at the top of the page and click or tap on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage Travel. This section is where all your upcoming and past trips are stored, making it easy to access your flight information quickly. Now, if for some reason you can't immediately locate your trip in the list, don't worry. Simply click on Find Your Booking. You'll be prompted to enter your itinerary number, which you should have received in your confirmation email when you first booked the trip. Type in that itinerary number and then click Continue. This will pull up your specific booking details. Once you're viewing your trips, select your upcoming flight from the list. This is important because it takes you directly to the flight you need to manage, especially if you have multiple bookings. Next, look for the check-in or manage booking option next to your flight. Keep in mind, this option is typically only available within 24 to 48 hours of your departure time. Click on it to proceed with the check-in process. This step is crucial because it allows you to confirm your seat and prepare for boarding. After clicking check-in, you'll be taken to a page where you can review all the passenger details. Take a moment to ensure everything is correct, including names and contact information. If seats are available, you can select your preferred seating at this stage. Additionally, this is where you'll declare any bags or items you're bringing along. This helps the airline prepare and ensures you're not hit with unexpected fees at the gate. And that's it. You've successfully used Expedia at the airport to manage your flight, check in, and get everything ready for a smooth travel experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.